We round out our show today with what you need to know. Gary Kelpbaum.
For about the last 3 or 4 months, the housing stocks had been acting better. I've been noticing it, but don't let that fool you. Housing is actually worsening right now as more inventory comes on and it is not being picked up. Housing stocks now are starting to break down again. I think they're headed back to the old lows.
Ouch.
Yeah, I think he's right. Peter, what do you got?
Well, I got a bigger problem brewing in credit cards. You know, Paulson says the credit crisis is over. As usual, he couldn't be more wrong. It's just getting started in credit cards. Look what happened yesterday with a big jump in borrowing. Consumers are now coping with higher prices by charging things. They can't pay the money back, and the people who are lending the money are going to lose a fortune, and they're going to cut the American consumer off from the credit cards. And these credit card stocks that have been rising now are going to plunge when they can't get paid back.
All right. The whole world is coming to an end. Todd, what do we need to know?
Isn't it? It's just coming to an end. But Robert Gray's working too hard. Y'all shouldn't work him so hard. Okay, Edmunds.com had a survey, had a study out on how long it takes to recoup the cost of paying a premium for a hybrid car. And if you buy a Toyota Prius, it's going to take you 3.5 years of driving that Prius to recoup the price of the premium you paid for it in the savings on gas.
Yeah,
Todd,
makes sense.
thanks.
Brenda, what do we need to know?
I watch the money flowing into mutual funds. That's what average investors use. 3 times what they were the previous week to last week. So that's a sign that consumers, investors, are starting to put money to work in the market, and I think it's a bullish indicator.
How much sitting there now? $4 trillion, I think?
Yeah, it's huge.
Wow, a lot of
So
money.
you think Hank Paulson's right? The worst may be over.
Yes.
Okay.
No, I think Peter Schiff is wrong, actually.
Well, he's been right on.